Hello friends, here is a Newton's cradle. This demonstrates the conservation of momentum through same size masses all under Earth's gravity. When a ball is released from its position, we can see the transfer of momentum through the spheres. We start with the gravitational potential energy and it swing through changing through kinetic energy. When a ball is at its lowest point, we can see this demonstrated through transfer of momentum with multiple balls. Let's try it. Thank you.